This may sound hard to believe, but only around 10% of the world speaks English, which means that if you're only posting your content in English, you're missing out on 90% of the entire world. And this means that not only are you missing out on millions of extra views, but you're also missing out on tons of extra revenue. But with today's tools, I'm going to be going over 2 separate solutions that you can use to translate your videos into other languages so you can access these audiences and unlock new revenue streams from the videos that you're already posting. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the way to do this in the most automatic and easy way possible. And that's by working with a team or a company that actually does this full time. So if you see with my channel, the one you're watching this one on right now called Money Mind News, I actually have a couple other channels linked here, like Mente Millonaria or Mente Financiera, I guess.
What?
Or this one I think is German. I don't even know how to pronounce this one. But yeah, if I go to any of these channels, you can see that these are just my exact videos, but with thumbnails in different languages. You can see they even change the language in the thumbnail, as well as with the title in different languages as well. And if I actually click on the video, you could listen to it and hear that
YouTube sem anúncios e sem YouTube Premium.
It's a completely different language. And what's cool is they actually keep a similar tonality or a similar way of talking, but they just change up what you're saying in terms of what language you're speaking. So with that being said, the way that this method is done, because I've been doing this in literally all of these languages and all of these channels are starting to grow and starting to get views, is I work with a company called Linguana. And just to show you guys how I actually had to do this, this was in October at a YouTuber convention that I went to, where I finally met someone who actually works at this company. I just sent this to myself from my phone, but yeah, it took me a really long time to find a company that actually does this, but they are absolutely awesome. You can just click the button in the description to apply, and the way that it works is that as long as you have around 1 million monthly views, they will take your content, create the new channels for you, auto-translate it for you, automatically post it for you, and then they typically work on a 50-50 split of whatever revenue is generated from that channel. They've worked with some of the biggest channels in the world, like if you guys know Veritasium, who does these science videos with 20 million subscribers. This channel right here, Veritasium in French or Veritasium in Portuguese, these are ran by Linguana. So I trust Linguana. They've been running my stuff and they've been doing a great job. So again, the link to work with them will be in the description, and it's been great working with them personally as well. The other option that you do have here is using something called 11 Labs to dub your videos, which actually can work really, really well. I want to actually show you guys an example of this because I've made videos on how dubbing works on 11 Labs before, and I have an example where I translated my original video into Chinese, and the difference is crazy. So listen to this. This is the original version of me speaking in English right here.
In the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you how you can literally take any footage and change the language to English.
And then if we wanted to hear it in Chinese, I could just switch it to Chinese real quick because I used 11 Labs dubbing feature, and listen to this.
在接下来的几分钟里，我将向你展示如何将任何视频素材的语言转换为英语。
So even though it's in Chinese, it still sounds like me and my voice. And that's kind of the important thing when you're trying to dub your videos. So I'll leave the link to 11 Labs in the description. It's actually really easy to use. You can just go to dubbing right here, click create a dub, and it'll just prompt you to upload whatever footage you have. You can even literally just upload a link to a YouTube video and then just say what language its source is in and then what language you want to translate to. And then it does that all for you. Then of course you would have to pay for the credits that you need on 11 Labs to get all this dubbing done, as well as for creating the new thumbnail, creating the new video, and everything in that realm. This means that if your channel doesn't make money or doesn't make money for a while, you still had to pay money and take on all the risk if it did well. But if it works, then you get 100% of the proceeds. Compared to working with a company like Linguana, you can just have them take on all the risk, and if it doesn't make any money, well, it's free and it's just a 50-50 split anyways. So yeah, those are 2 good options though to translate your videos and reach new audiences that you have never reached before. With that being said, I did want to show you guys this because it is an easy way to make more money from the content that you're already posting. And so any little nifty strategy like this, I think is always worth making a video about. And so as always, my mission here is to actually make money online advice transparent and show you guys how people are actually making money online, especially through social media. So if I delivered on that today, make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you want to join our Discord community, we now have almost 25,000 members, which is absolutely insane. It's completely free. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.